Brain DNN for AI Predictions in Semiconductor Industry PPC. Mentor Handbook. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. 1. Introduction to the video. This training video presents the role of AI, specifically Deep Neural Networks, DNN, in improving predictions within the semiconductor industry's production planning and control, PPC. Mentors should guide MENTs through the video's layered narrative, explaining how DNN models mimic human cognition to automate forecasting and enhance operational decisions. 2. Training objective. The objective of this video is to empower professionals with domain knowledge in semiconductor manufacturing to understand how AI can be leveraged to improve yield, optimize planning schedules, and reduce waste. The mentor should ensure MENTs grasp the core principle: AI predicts before problems escalate. 3. Semiconductor industry context. Semiconductor manufacturing is highly sensitive to time, precision, and cost. The process involves hundreds of steps from wafer etching to inspection. Mentors should explain how delays, equipment variation, and microdefects affect the production chain and how predictive AI can counteract these disruptions. 4. DNN architecture overview. The video breaks down a multi-layered DNN, input nodes for sensor and process data, hidden layers for nonlinear abstraction, and output layers for decision prediction. Mentors should emphasize why this structure allows deep learning from multivariate process streams in a noisy industrial environment. 5. Input layer function. The input layer collects variables such as chemical mix levels, tool settings, ambient clean room conditions, wafer rotation speed, and more. Mentors must help MENTs understand the importance of proper input selection, encoding, and normalization to ensure valid training. 6. Hidden layers processing. These layers transform input signals into abstract patterns. Using ReLU, rectified linear unit, or other activations, each neuron captures relationships like how temperature and humidity may impact coding quality. Mentors should use diagrams to show how data travels through these layers. 7. Output layer and interpretation. The final layer outputs forecasts, e.g., cycle time, lot completion, expected defects. Mentors must guide MENTs to interpret these predictions into decisions, rerouting jobs, altering production slots, or initiating preventive checks. 8. Training and testing methodology. The video mentions dataset partitioning, model evaluation, and iterative learning. Mentors should explain training validation splits, importance of test data, and metrics like MSE, mean squared error, and accuracy. Introduce overfitting and methods like dropout or regularization. 9. LSTM and sequential modeling. In extended contexts, LSTM, long short-term memory, networks are useful when the data is time sequenced, such as sensor data logs or historical batch reports. Mentors should offer an overview of how LSTM handles memory and time, allowing for time-aware AI modeling in PPC. 10. Real-time data integration. The model integrates with manufacturing execution systems, MES, and ERP systems, like SAP or Oracle. Mentors should guide MENTs to simulate data flow, from tool sensors to pre-processing layers to real-time prediction dashboards. 11. Use case, yield prediction. One scenario involves predicting wafer yield deviations based on inline inspection data. The mentor should encourage MENTs to explore how such prediction can influence early defect containment or shift-level intervention. 12. Use case, bottleneck identification. The DNN predicts potential WIP bottlenecks in real time. Mentors can simulate examples where a cleaning process delay propagates downstream and show how prediction helps redirect flow or pre-allocate buffer time. 13. Visualization and reporting. The video's vibrant animation illustrates layer-wise flow and prediction transitions. Mentors should emphasize how visualization plays a crucial role in AI explainability. Introduce tools like Plotly Dash for real-time charting and Sankey flows. 14. Role of the mentor. Mentors must serve as interpreters of both domain knowledge and AI logic. Encourage MENTs to cross-validate model predictions with their process understanding. Offer hands-on assignments with synthetic or anonymized datasets for experimentation. 15. Glossary of key terms. Term definition. AI, artificial intelligence, machines performing tasks requiring human intelligence. DNN, Deep Neural Network, a multi-layer neural network model for learning patterns from data. PPC, Production Planning and Control, the process of planning, scheduling, and controlling manufacturing. Yield the percentage of functional units out of the total manufactured. MES, Manufacturing Execution System, software to monitor, track, document, and control manufacturing. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, business software to manage core processes like supply chain, HR, and manufacturing. ReLU, Rectified Linear Unit, an activation function used in DNNs, outputting only positive values. LSTM, Long Short-Term Memory, a type of RNN capable of learning long-term dependencies in time series data. MSE, Mean Squared Error, a loss function measuring the average of the squares of errors between actual and predicted values. Dropout, a regularization method to prevent overfitting by randomly omitting neurons during training. Thanks for watching the video.